This video will show you how to cite an online scholarly journal article in MLA 8th edition format. So the first thing we need to know is that just because we found it on the internet doesn't mean we cite it as a website document. If we look at the example here on OWL Purdue, you can see that an online scholarly journal article will include information like the volume, the issue number, and page numbers, which is stuff that you don't usually include on a website citation. So let's use KnightCite citation service to create a citation for the scholarly journal article. So we make sure we choose MLA format, and then we need to choose the right kind of source. So we want a journal article. We'll click that. It's a normal article. Now, how many authors does it have? It has more than 4. But here's the thing. There's no reason to type all the different authors, because in MLA format, if you have more than 2 authors, you just type the first author's name and et al. The easiest way to do that is to fix that when you're done with the citation. So let's put in the first author, always the first one. Don't change the first one because that guy, he is the favorite. He's the lead author. Now, the article title. Now, when people look at this, sometimes they don't understand what's frontiers in neuroscience, what's front neurosci, what's all this information here. If you click on citation on the right-hand side of the page, it will give you a citation that's already done. Unfortunately, this citation is not in the current edition of MLA format, but it can help you find the information that you need in the article. So this is going to be the title of the article. So I'll paste that right in. And then I'll just paste in all the other information. We've got the title of the journal. We've got the volume, which is 10. It doesn't list an issue number, and that's fine. Some journals don't list that. If it doesn't say, you can skip that. We've got the year. Continuous pages means it doesn't stop on page 11 and then start later on page 15. And it lists page number 584. We found this source online. And so KnightCite is going to ask us a few more questions about it. It was not found using a database. That'd be like EBSCOhost or JSTOR. We could include the URL, but if you have a DOI, you don't need the URL. And we do have a DOI. That's a digital object identifier. And that's more reliable than a URL. Sometimes a URL will change over time, the site will move, but the digital object identifier should always be there. So that's better than a URL. Let's click submit and see what we get. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Let's paste this into our document. We'll choose merge formatting so that it doesn't change our font. And then we still need to add et al. To the author to show that Max Krukoff did not write this all by himself. He had some help. The rest of it looks great. It has important words capitalized, it has the name of the journal in italics, and it has all the information that we need for the citation. Thank you very much.